Hey everybody, welcome back. How's your day going? Mine, not too well. I had a little mishap. Well, let me just get to the point. I'm going to show you. And can you tell me what is wrong with this picture? Yeah. My newly installed drip line. Totally bitten apart. In 3, 4, 5 pieces. Well, what I think happened was a creature got in there, and I'm not going to say that it was a rabbit. Yeah, I am. It was a cottontail rabbit. I think it was trying to build a nest, and this is what I came out to. I don't understand that. What animal wouldn't want indoor plumbing? I don't get this. I don't know. But I got to fix it. Come along with me and I'll show you how quick and easy it is. No big deal. Come on. Okay, first we're just going to pull this valve out of the main line. Oh, there we go. I'm going to try to save this valve. These are pretty tough. Okay, it came apart easier than I thought. All right, save this. Pieces galore. Gone. All right, look at this. Oh my gosh, just bitten apart. All right, I'm going to take some new line, cut it to length. Let's see, about right there. Take this, take some wire cutters, boom, done. Okay, now take my valve, put it back in, snap it back into the hole. Okay, there, and I'm going to see if I can save this goof plug off the broken part. Because I like to reuse things as best we can. No sense in wasting it. Oh, I should have worn my bifocals. That's what happens when you get old. Okay, there we go. That was easier than I thought. The goof plug in the end, and that's it. Get my stakes set up here. And that's it. That easy. So now the next problem is let's find out how this little guy got inside the electric fence. Until next time,